Understanding the phrase, ocean lover. Hello everyone, and welcome. In today's video, we'll dive into the meaning of the phrase, ocean lover. This is a phrase you might come across in books, songs, or even in everyday conversation. So, if you're ready, let's set sail on this linguistic journey and explore the depths of this fascinating expression. Remember, language is an ocean of words and phrases, and today we are going to swim through one small part of it. The phrase, ocean lover, is made up of two words, ocean and lover. An ocean is a vast body of salt water that covers almost 3/4 of the Earth's surface. It's home to countless species and is vital to the planet's ecosystem. A lover is someone who has a deep affection or passion for something or someone. So, when we combine these two words, an ocean lover is someone who loves the ocean profoundly. Let's look at some examples of how the phrase can be used. She's an ocean lover. She spends every summer surfing and researching marine life. As an ocean lover, he is deeply concerned about the effects of pollution on sea life. These sentences show that an ocean lover is not just someone who enjoys the ocean, but someone who might also be actively involved in ocean-related activities or environmentalism. The phrase can take on different shades of meaning depending on the context. In a dating profile, saying, "I'm an ocean lover," suggests a hobby or interest that's important to the person's lifestyle. In an environmental article, it might refer to someone who advocates for ocean conservation. Understanding the context will help you grasp the full meaning when you encounter the phrase. Thank you for watching. We hope this exploration of the phrase, ocean lover, has been enlightening and adds a new wave of understanding to your English language journey. Remember, language learning is an adventure, much like exploring the vast and beautiful ocean. Until next time, keep loving language and maybe even become an ocean lover yourself. Farewell.